You know what's something I just hate? It's this concept of trading your time for money. I see all these people starting online businesses, and it feels like I'm on the sidelines with my hands tied behind my back, watching all these people create their own time, location, and financial freedom. And I'm over here, beating my head against the wall, going to work every morning. That was until I came across a YouTube ad, just like this one, that introduced me to starting an online business. You see all these people starting online businesses, and it kind of filled me with envy. Like, I want to do that. I don't want to have a limited number of vacation days or miss out on time with family and friends. My name's Will, and I help people create their own time, location, and financial freedom. I help them create a business which frees them from the confinement of a job where your future is completely out of your control and up to someone else's value of you. That's how I felt. I could never fill out a time card. I just hated it. I thought it would feel better with a salary, but the results were the same. And the promised big raises just seemed so low compared to how much money I felt I could make. I make 6 figures with my current job, and on the side, I grow my affiliate marketing business. But I remember the day when I looked to my superiors and thought, that's the track I'm on? Wow, I just have zero interest in how they live. They spend so much time at work, and for what, a paycheck? They sacrifice time with their friends and family. And the work they did every day, the discussions, the meetings, the phone calls, did I really want or enjoy any of that? That's when I came across the ad. I actually don't remember that much of it because it hit home like something I never could imagine. I became obsessed with the workshops, the modules. I couldn't work through them fast enough. Now, seeing these ads where people suggest you can build $1 million business seemingly overnight, that's a bit intimidating. I just want to replace my salary, or even better, make an extra $1,000 a month and have a second income source, so I'm not so dependent on my paycheck from my job. That feels a lot more attainable than $1 million business overnight, which rarely happens. The thing with the jobs is that their purpose is to provide you with security to support your life. But what happens when your job takes up all your time and all your energy? You're not able to focus on what's important in life, like pursuing your passions or starting a project you really care about. And you can't just quit because then you'd have no money to support your life. But if you carry on just working, you'll never have the time or energy to have a go at something you really care about. So what do? You can either give up on pursuing your dreams and aspirations, which is a pretty sad life, and stay on trading your time for money until you retire. Or you can learn the skills to create an online business that can be grown quickly around your working hours to replace your salary that's not as dependent on your time like a job is, because it runs on tools and systems that you install to do the hard work for you, freeing you up to go after whatever it is that makes you feel inspired in life. I got started building my online business because I needed to build an income to replace my salary, and an income that wasn't so dependent on my time like my job is, so I'd have the time and money to work on something I really wanted to. I watched these workshops myself, and I continued to get more in-depth training, which helped me get started building my online business, and now I have everything I need in place to scale it very quickly. It's a weight off my mind knowing I can get to work on what's really important to me. So I want to introduce to you my mentor, Stuart Ross, who's been doing this for over 10 years and has built an 8-figure online business, who clearly doesn't have to work anymore, but he's dedicated himself to helping people just like us create businesses that frees them up to do whatever they want to do. You can meet him by signing up for these 3 free on-demand workshops. These workshops talk you through everything you need to know about getting started with the right business model that will allow you to use systems and tools online to make an income promoting other people's products and services. Just so you know, you're not alone in this journey. Aside from myself being right there with you, there are over 3,000 community members who have all used this training to get started with their online business. Now, why is this solution so great? The great thing about this business model is that once the systems and software are all set up, it runs automatically for you, making sales on autopilot with the occasional maintenance from you, which is perfect for anyone just looking to replace their salary with an income that frees up their time. What's stopping you? It doesn't matter if you're working full-time or have personal and professional responsibilities. You can watch the workshops in your own time, implement the teachings around your schedule, and grow it at a pace that suits your lifestyle. Now, it doesn't matter what your tech background is either, because the tools available in today's digital economy are so simple, anyone can learn how to use them if they're provided the right training. These workshops will outline the exact tech required. So if you're interested, click the link to sign up for your first free on-demand workshop that teaches you how to start and grow an online business from scratch. Enter your name and email on the next page and I'll send the videos right to you. Now, just in case, check your spam box and mark them from a safe sender. Looking forward to meeting you.